Alright guys, welcome back to the channel guys. I have to make a quick stop or quick run to Lowe's. Now I'm on my break. I'm really on my break. No, really. Lowe's right across the street from the job, guys, so it's no major effort at all. In fact, sometimes I just want to get away anyway from that daggone shop sometime, man. Just got to get away. You got to get out of there sometime. But I can't see anymore, man. Y'all know how hard. Can I squeeze in through the exit entry? Yes, I can. So y'all know how hard it is to see, or how hard it is to work when you can't see. For those of you guys that work in a shop under the hood of a car, you know it is extremely hard to see, and it's frustrating. It kills your whole drive, man, when you can't see what you're doing. Where's the lights? The light I'm looking for. The light I had was and maybe that's why I used to have the battery operated one. Headlight. I gotta have a headlight. Quite frankly, it is. Quite frankly, I don't know what I was doing before this invention. This ain't always been out, guys. Well, some of you old heads, y'all remember drop lights. Yeah, this long cord with this long old hot light bulb hovering over the hood of the car, giving you light. Yeah, that was the good old days. Now, I'm by no means sponsored by Craftsman or anything, but I'm sorry. This is the best headlight. Well, it's kind of crazy for me to say that since mine just chalked out on me, but I've been had it for a while and I've been using the mess out of it. The good thing of what sold me to this one is it's not battery operated. Before I was using any one of them because we was able to get free batteries at the job. So we was reckless with it. We didn't care. Sometimes we would leave it on intentionally. We didn't have to worry about batteries. That's what happened, man. When they snatch something free away from you, you wise up and straighten up. Yeah, I used to own all these Energizers. They battery operated, and the job was supplying the batteries. When the job said, no more, your boy wised up and moved to the digital age. So you just simply plug this in there. Everybody got a computer on their toolbox nowadays, or there's a computer somewhere near. Just leave that in there for a good 15, 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, you got a full charge, and it can last for a long time. So I can't see without this, guys. I have to have this. And in some cases, I don't know why I didn't get it's $2 extra for a year warranty. I don't think I had it for a year. I'll lose it before, and it's 500 lumens, by the way. I would lose it before I'm able to use that warranty. A year? Psh, man, I see guys at the shop lose their stingers. Y'all know the stingers, the high-powered lights that cost so much? They don't lose, though, but they lose parts to it, like the charger, and you would think that would be stationary in one spot, but no. So this is what I need, guys. Yes, I will be able to see. Like I said, I'm right across the street. While I'm in here, let me go look and see what else Craftsman have to offer, since they want to take over Sears. I was doing just fine with Sears. Actually, I like the Sears. It was a no-hassle return policy. Mainly because they had females doing the exchanges, and I don't mean the dog out of sexist, but females was not taking the extra effort to even verify if your broken tools was even Craftsman. I'm serious. I accidentally turned in a big bag of tools, and a lot of them wasn't Craftsman. I didn't know. My guys, some of my buddies at work I was like, give me all your broken tools. I'm headed to Sears. So the lady ended up just replacing it. I grabbed everything I needed, set it on the counter. She took my bag and just dumped it in the bucket with all the other broken tools, and just rung up everything I had. And while I'm sitting there watching that in shock, like, damn, if I'd have known that. But that's theft, so you can't really talk like that. You can't really say that, but she just was reckless or wasn't paying attention, or simply hadn't been trained. Yeah, it could be it. She probably wasn't trained, but that wasn't the first time they done that. So obviously nobody was trained. And the ending results is they likely lost a lot of money, not from that, but just in general, and they had to sell out. So there's no more Sears with Craftsman tools in it, and I would hate to think that I had played a role in that. I really don't think so. It just that was the saying around the shop. You got any broken tools, just take it to Sears up at such and such mall. It had to have been like one store, so it probably was that store that was hiring reckless employees that didn't care. Because, man, these guys was taking everything back. Taiwan, just broken Taiwan. Nobody was checking nothing. They were just dumping them in the box. And that is a terrible thing to take advantage of, guys. So if you're out doing it, stop it. Stop it. Quite frankly, I don't think you can do that now because they train everybody now. So if it doesn't say Craftsman on it, you're not getting it. And they read numbers too, so they're not just merely looking at the tool. They are reading numbers, make sure the numbers match. If they don't, you don't get a new tool. Yes, they are lifetime warranty, but they will verify. In some cases, like if you bring a ratchet back, just say a ratchet. If you bring one back, they will rebuild that ratchet or give you a rebuilt ratchet. They won't rebuild it. Now, Snap-on man, I took my ratchet back on the truck. He set that right in front of me and put a new ratchet assembly in it instead of giving me a new one. So everybody's cracking down on this stuff. Nobody wants to lose money, man. I don't blame them. But you think if you turn in something, you want a new one. You don't want a reconditioned one. You know, these folks got to honor these lifetime warranty. They're going to give you a lifetime warranty. They need to honor it. You know, or get out of the game. One of the two. Now, y'all remember the other day I went to Northern and I could not find the 1/4-inch extensions that I was looking for? Here it is right here. But, god dadgummit, it's $20. Now, this is $6 in Walmart. And guys, think about this for a second. 1/4-inch do not have to be strong. They do not have to be name brand. There's nothing that tight that would justify owning a high dollar, big dollar Snap-on 1/4-inch set. Nothing's 1/4-inch is that tight. Okay, so if I can go, and I hate doing this because it sounds like I'm costing Snap-on them some sales, but Walmart right up the street. If I can get this same, and I know Walmart price is $6.89. These actually is four. You got a small one, mid, and long one, and a long one. Like $6.89. I think it's Stanley, if I'm not mistaken. And yes, Stanley tools are lifetime warranty. Why not get that? I mean, things got to make sense for me now, guys. The older you get, this crazy spending or reckless thinking goes out the window, guys. I'm sorry. I can't do it, Mr. Sears. Yes, you're semi big name and it's made with good quality, but we're talking 1/4-inch. It doesn't have to be super damn strong. It doesn't have to be that strong. That's just my take on it, guys. You guys do what you please, do what you feel. Even this is considered amateurish. You know, the other day I was talking about, I was in a Harbor Freight, and I was saying, yes, ASC Master Mechanic has Harbor Freight tools in his toolbox. Don't be ashamed of that. To some guys, Craftsman is just as amateurish as Harbor Freight tools. Now, how crazy is that? There's absolutely nothing wrong with Craftsman, man. Craftsman got a warranty just like Snap-on it, and they're convenient, so you ain't got to wait a week. Now, they inconvenient from a standpoint you got to go to the store and get it, but who can't live with that? This is all I'm going to get. I'm going to have to, I got to go to Walmart anyway, so go figure. While I'm there, I'm going to grab that extension set. All right, but for now, I have to get back to the shop, guys. This is a real, I know I say BT with JT sometimes, but I actually snuck away from the job. So, all right, guys, let me shut this down. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.